Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on some quick lunch ideas. As always, you can add more or less. These are just ideas so you can get started and figure out what you want to make for lunch. So anyway, as always, I like to have a main course, a fruit, a vegetable, a snack, and I've been giving them two treats because they're getting older now. And since they're getting older, I've just given them more treats because I want to. Again, you can do more or less. So anyway, for their main course, what they have here is just a very basic wrap, and it's basically a tortilla. And the lunch meat I use is chicken lunch meat. You can use whatever meat you like. And then you can use either sandwich cheese or shredded cheese or whatever cheese you like to use. And then at that, then I just wrap it on up. And then what's cool about it is you can do a couple of things with that. If you want to, you can leave it just like that, or you could be able to spice it up and you can put like cucumbers in it, lettuce in it, tomatoes, onions, guacamole, whatever. And then also to take it another step, if you want to, you can make it hot by simply toasting it. So you could have this right here and make it different types of sandwiches. So you can have this kind of like a starter sandwich. So for this time, I'm just going to go ahead and make it cold. I'm going to leave it just like that. And I'm also going to include a mayonnaise packet. And then for the cucumbers here, it's about maybe 1/4 of a cucumber chopped up. And then this right here is some oranges. And this is some gummy bears, some chicken and a biscuit. And then I got 2 Twixes here. Now for this right here, I'm going to go ahead and make this a salad. I'm going to go ahead and get another bag and put it in there and then put some dressing in there. For those who use dressing, because I have one who doesn't eat dressing at all. I know, very nice. I can't do that. I need my dressing. So, and I'll put this in a bag with some dressing in a bag, and then I'll put a fork in it. But this right here is going to be a quick lunch. All right, I'm back. I went ahead and got the mayonnaise packet, and then I made, this person likes Italian dressing, but you can do ranch or whatever you like to use, or leave it out. But here's the dressing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in a bag, and I'm going to make my cucumber salad. So here's what it looks like. It's inside of a bag. Here's the cucumber, here's Italian dressing, and they got a fork inside. So what they'll do is they'll open up the cucumbers, keep it in the bag, and then they'll open up the dressing, spray it on there. And the way they open is they just bite off the tip there, but just spray it all over it, and they can eat it with a fork, or they can just squeeze it out of the bag. But if they want to, they can go ahead and use a fork. So it's a cucumber salad. And if they want to, they can take it a step further, and they can spray it on there, and then put it inside of their wrap. Now this one, it's for a little one, so they got half of one. For my older one, he gets a full one. So again, it just depends on preference. So anyway, and this is this is half of an orange. So anyway, this right here is what they're getting. So you see, it's a full course. It seems like a little bit, but a little bit added up makes a lot. So anyway, this is just some quick lunch ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and definitely God bless.